Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is the 4th of July, and I'm chilling out here in nature, and I hope you're having a good one. Spending time with your friends and family. But I wanted to report that just a few minutes ago there was an earthquake down here in the old SoCal. I wanted to document it by and I wanted to document it with this little video. So it lasted for, I don't know, good 15 seconds. It was pretty strong. Now, I'm up in the hills, so I don't know exactly where the epicenter was, but nevertheless, there was an earthquake, and it was not that vehicle that just passed by either. So I wanted to let you guys know that, for one, I'm okay. Two, it did bounce around the Corolla a bit. As you might be able to hear it in the background, it's running because I'm doing some charging of my devices, but nevertheless, there was an earthquake. And, I hate repeating myself, so I'm going to cut this short. I'm going to cut it off, and I'll keep you updated on the earthquake situation down here in Southern California. Is the big one coming? Huh. We'll find out. All right. Take care. Have a safe 4th of July and keep it sane. Keep it real. Peace.